In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Google Video 3 image into a video. Whether you're creating captivating content for social media or enhancing your personal projects, animating your images into videos can breathe life into your visuals. Let's dive into the process step by step, making sure you have a seamless experience. First off, you'll need to use either the Gemini app or Google Flow, both of which integrate seamlessly with Veo 3. These platforms are designed to transform still images into dynamic videos effortlessly. So make sure you have either of these apps installed on your device or access to their web interfaces. Once you're in the app or on the web platform, look for the option labeled Image to Video. This is the gateway to converting your static image into an animated video. This feature leverages powerful algorithms to add motion to your pictures, so selecting this will set you on the right path. Now, you'll need to upload the image you want to animate. Simply find the upload option and select the image from your device. Ensure that it's of good quality for the best animation results. High-resolution images tend to work best as they have more detail for the animation process to work with. Next, it's time to unleash your creativity with an animation prompt. Think about the kind of motion or effect you want to see in your video. This could be anything from a gentle wave to a dynamic swirling effect. The more detailed and specific your prompt, the better the AI will be able to animate your image to your liking. With your prompt in place, click on the Generate or Create Video button. The app will take a few moments to process your request, depending on the complexity of your animation prompt and the quality of your image. Be patient during this step, as the app is crafting something unique from your specifications. Sometimes, the first result might not be exactly what you envisioned. Don't worry if that's the case. You can tweak your prompt or simplify the animation complexity if needed. Feel free to experiment here, as adjusting these parameters can significantly alter the final output. After making any necessary changes, and once you are thrilled with the result, the final step is to download your video. The app provides an option to save it as an MP4 file, a versatile format that's great for most purposes. This file type ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and platforms, making sharing your creation with others a breeze. And there you have it, a beautifully animated video emerging from a single still image with just a few simple steps. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to create more animated content. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.